As we get older, our bodies change. We need different nutrients to stay healthy. Eating well can help us live longer, more active lives. It gives us energy and helps us fight off illness. Good food is important for everyone, but especially for seniors. Eating healthy doesn't have to be hard. There are many simple and delicious recipes that seniors can enjoy. It's all about making smart choices and finding meals that you love. With a little planning, you can easily create healthy and satisfying meals at home. Remember, good food is a gift you give yourself. Too much salt can be bad for our health. It can raise our blood pressure. High blood pressure is a problem for many seniors. The good news is that we can control how much salt we eat. We can make easy swaps in the kitchen. Instead of salt, try using herbs and spices. They add flavor without the sodium. Lemon juice is another great way to add flavor. When cooking at home, you control the ingredients. You can make your food taste great and be good for you. Many seniors have diabetes. This means they need to be careful about sugar, but that doesn't mean they can't enjoy snacks. There are many healthy and delicious options. Fruits and vegetables are always a good choice. Plain yogurt with berries is another tasty snack. Nuts and seeds are also great. They provide healthy fats and protein. Remember, portion control is key. Even healthy snacks should be eaten in moderation. Section 4. Easy and delicious recipes for seniors. Let's get cooking. This simple recipe is perfect for seniors. It's full of flavor and easy to make. Grilled salmon with roasted vegetables. You will need 1 salmon fillet, 1 cup chopped vegetables like broccoli, carrots and zucchini, 1 tablespoon olive oil and salt and pepper to taste. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Next, toss the vegetables with olive oil, salt and pepper. Spread the vegetables on a baking sheet and then place the salmon fillet on the same baking sheet. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through. Enjoy this delicious and healthy meal. Eating healthy is a journey, not a race. Small changes can make a big difference. Choose fresh foods when you can. Cook at home more often. And most importantly, enjoy your food. It's all about feeling good and living your best life.